Hey guys, welcome to my renovation project. For this one, we just finished our kitchen, bathroom, flooring, full house painting, lighting and decorations. The owner of the house used to work in Louis Vuitton as a brand manager, so they really have a good taste on design and the furnitures. So come on in, let me show you the magic of the renovation.
Doesn't matter where you are, it's always been you. Tell me you'll stay by me, 'cause